Africa, land of 1,000 tongues, 1,000 tribes, 1,000 drums that beat beneath one sun. But these days, our drums sound like gunfires. Our tongues speak that brothers, our tribe draw lines and dust that should have been roads. I still dream in Kwame Nkrumah's lenses, dreaming of a dawn where Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Sudan would not stand apart but together. As the woven clothed kente of a continent stitched by hope. But somewhere we forgot. We looked east, we looked west, and forgot to look forward. We let old wounds grow fresh teeth, let politics speak louder than people, let power divide what love could bind. I tried to dream again because Africa was born in me, in the coils of my hair, the dust of my feet. The stories my grandmother whispered on the mango trees. Enough of borderlines drawn in blood. Enough of tribe against tribe, brothers against brothers. If one village burns, the whole land dies of its smoke. If one child is hungry, the whole continent starves of tomorrow. Hear me, Africa. It's time to look forward. Time to remember we are stronger braided together than scattered apart. Time to rise. May we be many voices but one vision. May we be many tribes but one tribe. May we be many stories but one story that Africa is back to other Africa is looking forward together.
They play upon our vanities and flatter us in every kind of way. They tell us that this particular person or that particular country has greater or more favorable potentialities than the other. They do not tell us, unite, that we are all as good as we are able to make ourselves once we are free.